Yes, sir. So we are having two concepts like validation and substitution. Okay. So now in our today's class or today's session, we are going to cover up with our validations. So substitutions, somewhere next week or further weeks, we'll look it out. First, we'll look it out validations. So what is validation and what is the use of it and what benefit you will get it from validation? Okay. Validation we can use across the modules, cross modules like asset accounting. If you want, you can use it separately. You can use cost accounting, that means controlling module, consolidation, SAP, financial accounting, your FI, funds management or joint venture or whatever the other things. So across all these modules, we can use your validations or substitutions. Okay. So now in our case, we are going to look at out of financial accounting. In financial accounting, your validations are at three levels. One is a document header level, line item level, and complete document level. Okay. So in your financial accounting, you guys know it. In FI, what is your document header, sir? Document header table.
BKP.
BKPF is your document header table, and BSEC is your line item table. In S4 and also we are having the BSEC. Along with that, we also have AC doc A. Both the tables we are going to have it. Okay. So now whenever you are doing your validation at header level means you are going to use your BKPF table. So first I will show you the table. Okay. First we will observe SC16N. What is your BKPF? So in your BKPF, you are having the fields like Bucharest, Belnar, GJHR, BLART. All these things we will say it as fields. These fields we also called as technical names. This is field name. Normally, you know it. What is company code? What is fiscal year? What is document type? Document date, posting date, period. These names you know it. These names in technical we are going to say this is the name of it. This is the name of it in technical. Now, let assume in your header level, if you want to send the information, in your header level, if you want to send the information or if you want to know the information, you can get to know by using this BKPF table. And if you observe every table, you will have some of the fields in blue color and other fields are in normal color. So in this case, these blue color fields, we can say it as key fields. Key fields means whatever the data you are having in your table will be having with these three field combinations. If you observe these three field combination, you will have a unique field. Like, see, let's take simple example. If you are having in a class, okay, you will have your name, then class, then roll number. If you take the combination of these three, it is going to be always unique, sir. Name, Ramesh, Suresh, Dinesh. Okay. Okay. These are the names. The same names in the same class will be available, sir. Might be available. Ramesh, Ramesh P or Suresh S also might be available. But when it comes to the rule number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you take combination of all these things, class 8 or 10, okay, and the same person might be available in your class 9 also, okay. But in this case, if you take combination of all these things, that is Ramesh, class and roll number. If you take this way, you won't get any unique values, sir. Okay, you won't get any duplicate values. All these are unique values. You can observe conditional formatting, highlight, duplicate values. See, I'm going to do it light red. You won't get anything in light red. But if you do same format here, you will get duplicate values, sir. Because Ramesh is 2 times is there, Suresh is there 2 times, Dinesh is there 2 times, Ramesh P is there 2 times. And the same way your class is always 10th here. And also here, your roll numbers also duplicated again here. But on the combination of all these three, you won't get any duplicates. Okay, that is what the table is defining. So always your table is defining unique values. Always it will find you the unique values. Okay, so that unique values is going to be combination of your key fields. That means one company code, document number, fiscal year. With these three combination, you won't get duplicates. That is what the table is controlling. Okay, let's take in our example, TTML is the company code I'm taking. I'm taking for 2023. So I'm having some of the documents in 23. The same documents will be available in 2022 also. Same documents might be available in 2022 also. Let me remove it. See here. So I am having the documents in 21, 22, 23 also. But when I take filter of each financial year wise, then this document won't get 3 times. We'll get only 1 time. That is what we can say. The key field values are combination. With these combinations, key field combinations, document status is not key field. Okay. With these three, you will get unique value. Or with these three, you will get unique value. This is what a table is controlling. So because of this, you won't get duplicate values in your table level. And your document header is at your BKPF level. So that is why I am explaining it is when you are going to the document header level, you are going to define your validations at header level by using your BKPF table. By using your BKPF table. Okay, yeah. So here your validations is at your 3 levels. Okay, header level, line item level, and complete document level. Write down, sir. Write down. Validations, and it is at financial accounting level. We are having at 3 levels. One is document header level, number 2 line item level, number 3 complete document level. Write down these three, sir. Sir, completed? Yeah, write down now. Next one. Validation at 3 levels for financial accounting. Number 1 is document header. Number 2 is line item. Number 3 is your complete document. Number 3 is complete document. Yeah. Next, write down, sir. Validation. Validation. The purpose of validation is to control the purpose of validation is to control the to control the to control the purpose of validation is to control the field value based on the conditions based on the conditions based on the conditions based on the conditions based on the conditions. Okay, based on the conditions. Now let me explain simple example. The same we will write down as a logic. Yeah, I'm doing some simple f-02 transaction. f-02. See here, at the time of posting your document, you are giving some dates. Okay, I'm going to do this one for TTML company code for our training purpose. TTML company code. This is the JLA code. Now, in this case, it is going to be line item. When we say line item, it is basic table. But first example, we are seeing at header level. In your header level, what and all the fields you will have it majorly? Your document date, posting date, document type, period, company code, currency, then reference text, header text. These are some of the key field values. Okay, in this case, now your expectation. Whenever I do a financial posting for a company code TTML, my document date and posting date should be same. My document date and posting dates should be same. That means here you are validating document date and posting date. Here you are validating your document date and your posting date. And what your condition you are saying? Document date and posting date is equal. It should be same. That is what you are saying a condition. So based on that condition, at the time of doing your data entry, system will check whether these two are same or not. Or the other condition, at the time of posting the document, my document type is SA. If my document type is SA, my reference field should be always ABCD. I want always ABCD. My reference field always need to be updated ABCD only. It should not be others. Or my header text is going to be so and so. Or always my reference text is equal to header text. Whatever the condition you are expecting to write, you can write down. Clear, sir? Concept? Validation concept clear? Yes, sir?
Yes.
Yeah. So if anybody having any doubt, please raise your query, sir. No issues at all. You can stop me and you can ask. So in this case, now this is an explanation. This explanation need to be followed for the company code TTML. And you need to follow irrespective of your document types. At company code level, always your document date and posting date should be same. That is what your expectation. Okay. To that expectation, we are going to write a validation now. Okay. Yeah. Write down, sir. Write down, please. Validation expectation scenario. Validation expectation. Validation expectation. My document date and posting date. My document date and posting date should be same for should be same for should be same for company code TTML. My document date and posting date should be same for company code TTML. Should be same for company code TTML. Okay. Yeah. Write down, sir. Go to T code GGB0. Go to T code GGB0. Validation T code, sir. Validation definitions. T code GGB0. Go to validation T code GGB0. Yeah. Click on financial accounting. That means application area, then followed by financial accounting, document header, then click on create validation. Document header, then click on create validation. Select the document header, click on validation. Create validation. This is create option, sir. Create validation. Yeah. So here I am going to create, sir, for easy remember, I am giving company code itself. VAL. Okay. TTML validation. TTML validation. Enter. TTML validation. Enter. TTML validation. Enter. Save. Save. So now we have created validations. Within the validation, we need to define our steps. For a single validation, we can define multiple steps. Write down, sir, note. NOTE, note. For a single validation, we can define n number of steps. N number of steps. N number of validation steps. N number of validation step. Next point in the same. Each step determines a validation condition. 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 Yeah. Now select TTML VA. Select TTML underscore VA. Your validation, whatever you have created. Select TTML underscore VA. Click on create step or insert step. Insert step. Create or insert step. Insert step. So here you can see, sir. Here you are having your prerequisite, check, and then message. So in our example, what is your prerequisite, sir? In our example, what is your prerequisite?
Posting date and document date should be
Document
same.
number.
Yeah, posting date and document number should be same. And what is your check? What is your check, sir?
TTML company code should be.
So in our example here, I said my document date is equal to posting date. That is the check I'm saying, prerequisite this is. And this has to be applicable only for my TTML company code. That means this prerequisite I'm going to check only for TTML company code, not for all the company codes. If we are having more than one company code, how we will do it? That will come up slowly. Okay? Yeah. Click on prerequisite. In bracket, you write down, sir. In bracket, you write down what validation need to be done. In bracket, prerequisite in bracket, what validation need to be done. What validation need to be done. Yeah, bracket close, sir. Bracket close. Select prerequisite. And as I said, you are doing at header level. Your header level nothing but your BKPF table. Here you can see your table fields, your rules, and your exits. We use it to say user exits, sir, in our demo system. Yeah. Double click on document header table structure BKPF. Double click on structure BKPF. You can see, sir, all these fields are your table fields. What are the fields you are seeing in your table? These are the things, sir. Bucharest, Belnar, GJHR, BLART, all these technical fields you can observe here. Technical field and its description. Okay. All these are part of your BKPF table. Now here your requirement is what, sir? Posting date is equal to document date. You can check it out. Here we are having the document date. Yeah. Select document date. Select document date. That means double click. Double click on document date. You can see, sir, you got it here. This is your program. Here, whatever you are seeing here in this box, that is like your program, which can be do by functional consultant. Okay, document date we need to select, delete. Yeah, document date BLDAT. Select document date. What you are saying, it need to be same. That means equal functionality. Equal to, this is equal functionality, this is not equal to, this is greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, less than, greater than, in I will explain this one. It is like sets. If you use sets, we will use in. This functionality will come up later, sir. And or all these things will come up later. Equal to document date equal to posting date. Double click on posting date. Here you are having it, sir. BUDAT. Document date is equal to posting date. Document date is equal to posting date. Okay. This is your prerequisite. And this one is need to check for what? What and all the condition. That is what you are going to do in check. Okay. Yeah. Equal to BKP of BUDAT. Next. Click on check. Click on check. Click on check. Click on check. Yeah, in bracket you write down. In bracket you write down. Prerequisites need to be applicable on. Prerequisite need to be applicable on what condition? 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 Okay. Yeah, write down, sir. Double click on check. Double click on check. Click on BKP of document. Sorry, click on BKP of accounting document header. Click on accounting document BKP of table. Yeah. You are going to check it for company code, Bucharest. You can check it out, sir. Bucharest field. BUKRS. Yeah, here. Company code, BKP of Bucharest. Double click on BKP of Bucharest. You are going to check it with respect to company code. BUKS Bucharest. Company code Bucharest. If you are having only one value, you will select equal to. If you are having multiple values, you will select in. Multiple values, I will explain how the in case is. Right now, we will go with only one company code. Equal to. Yeah, you want to apply constant value. Click on constant. Click on constant. Click on constant. Give company code as TTML. Give company code as TTML. Continue. Give company code as TTML. Continue. Continue. Okay. Yeah. Now Click on messages. Next one. Click on messages. So here we are going to define message. Okay. You can see sir existing messages. I'm going to select. Yeah. You can take sir. Okay. Posting date and the document date not identical. Okay. Yeah. You write down. Okay. 006. Posting date and document date not identical. Okay. Save. Save. Sir, you can see here. Save and generation completed. Okay. Save. Save. Sir, you can see here. Save and generation completed, successfully completed. So normally whenever you do configuration, what is going to be happen, sir, immediately?
TR number will create.
So whenever you do save your configuration, your TR will generate. Okay. But here in this case, the TR is not generating. The transport request is not generating. So for validations, you need to include your TRs separately. For validation, you need to include your TR separately. Okay. That concept I will explain, sir, after completion of your validation and substitution both. Okay. After completion of both, I will explain how to transport validation and substitution TRs. So this is going to be interview question, sir. In interview questions, they will ask, is it possible to transport or save into transport directly the validation? So at the time of creation or at the time of saving, it cannot be saved into validation. We need to send it separately via transport. Okay. Next. Assign validation to company code. Next step. OB28. Assign validation to company code. OB28. If you not assign, then your validation won't work, sir. You need to assign your validation to your company code. Assign validation to company code. Assign validation to company code. Enter. Enter. Yeah. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Yeah. Give your company code TTML. Company code TTML. Call point determines your header, line item, and complete document. You are having three things. You can select. Right now we are doing for header. Select call point header. Validation is TTML underscore VA, whatever you have defined. Next, activation. Do you want to activate this one or not? If you're not done here also, it won't impact, sir. You need to select here. Inactive or active? Active, 0, 1. Yeah. Write down, sir.
హలో సార్.
Yes, sir.
హలో సార్, మనకి గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ కంపెనీస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ప్రతి కంపెనీ ఒకటి అసైన్ చేయాలి ఇది.
Yes, sir. Which is mandatory to assign to each and every company code, sir. If you are having 1000 company codes, you need to do 1000 company codes mapping here, which is mandatory.
ఓకే ఓకే
Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
Change the check box, right, sir?
ఏంటమ్మా?
అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనము ఎన్ కంపెనీ కోడ్స్ కి అసైన్ చేస్తే మన వాలిడేషన్ ఓన్లీ మనం చెక్ లో ఇచ్చింది టీటీఎంఎల్ ది కదా కంపెనీ కోడ్. We
Correct.
need also assign n company codes in the check condition as well, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Will come up slowly.
Okay. There is one more question from my end, sir. Like we have header level and line item level. Then why do we go to the company code level? What is the basic difference between header line item and as well as company code validation?
So here your company code, here you are going to validate your document date and posting date and which is available at your header level.
Okay.
So that is why we are doing the conditions now at header level. Next case, where you are going to have your assignment field or text, line item text field or business area, functional area, some of the things that is your line item level.
Okay.
If you want to validate those things, then we can use line item level validations.
Okay. If we have a combination of both header and line item, we can go with document validation, right?
No, that is complete document, third one.
Yeah. That is what.
Yeah, okay. That is the complete document.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Okay, done, sir. Enter and then save. Okay. And also I will have one more company code RGO. Let me assign this one also to RGO. Then we will see the results. Write down. That means another company code, but in the validation step, I have not include this company code. So in such cases, how system will behave also we see. That means one is successful scenario, the other one is failure case. Regression testing we can say. Save. Save. Yeah. If it is equal, then only it will go and give that error. So here we need to give not equal, sir. We need to give not equal to.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So my condition is mistake, sir. I am going in expert mode. So here it is not equal to, it is not equal to. Okay. You write down, sir, it is not equal to, sir. Not. If it is not equal to, then it need to provide an error. If it is equal to, then it is our wrong case. Okay. Clear, sir? Equal to means when it is equal, then it will provide you error. Here, both are same, then it will provide you error. Okay. We need to give not equal to. If it is not equal to, then we need to get the error. Okay. Save. Small change, sir, in your validation. It is not equal to, you just write down not equal to. Only first we define prerequisite is your organization objects. Then we are going to check your validation. That is your check. So we need to check based on company code. We are going to check document date is equal to posting date or not. Okay, write down, sir. BKP of Bucharest is equal to TTML, constant value. Constant value, TTML. Then click on check. Click on check BKP of same document date is equal to posting date. Document
Equal
date
to not
equal to. Yes, sir.
equal to not equal to, sir. Like not
Equal to only, sir. Equal to only, sir. It is going to check whether it is equal to or not. If okay, then fine. If not, then it will give the error.
Okay, sir.
So my confusion, sir. Prerequisite I have taken up wrongly earlier. It is my confusion. Posting date. Document date is equal to posting date. Then click on messages. Click on messages. Yeah, give 006. Same, sir. Okay. If you want, you can give variable. If not, also fine, no issues, sir. These variables, if not also, fine, no issues. Variables, if you give, fine. If not, also fine. If you give, then it will provide with value. If you are not giving, it won't provide any values. It will give just this error message. That's it. Save. Save. Sir, real time, whenever we are doing this validation steps, is there, right? This text will maintain with your error message or message class. Z1, in our case it is Z1 is your message class, then followed by 006 hyphen will give. This is the way we'll maintain in real time, sir. Because once you get error, it will provide this is the message error. By looking this one, you can come and check here directly. Save. So now if I get error by looking this one Z1006, by looking this description, I can open this step and I can observe what is prerequisite, what is checked, everything. That is easy way of doing it, sir, in real time. But it is not necessary to be followed, but easy way of doing it in real time is that is what it is. Yeah. Write down, sir. Okay. In our checks, we have given only TTML. Sorry, prerequisite we give only TTML. We will see it, sir, whether it is going to work or not. /n f-02. This time also if I get error. Now we got it, sir. So this is what same Bucharest equal to TTML. Earlier I gave it manual or to say expert mode. So that time it was given here as small letters TTML. That is why it was not. Now you can get it. See, sir. The posting date is 5 and document date is 411, not identical. That is the error, you will get it. Okay, yeah. Write down, sir. Slash and f-02. F-02. Give the details. Yeah, give the details and you can try, sir. Yeah. Observe the error. Observe the error. You can see, sir, here. Why I said your message number it is showing Z1006. Normally, whenever you get an errors, immediately you will get this is the message numbers for every errors. So now this is Z1 means it is customized one, sir, not SAP standard one. Z means. So in Z1 006, how you will identify it? It is very difficult. If you by looking this one, we can understand of it. It is a validation. So now if you go to validation, then you will check it out your subjects like this. Let us here in our case 1 only. If you are having 10 also, you will check it out these messages. Based on that, okay, this is related to this message. This is the step. That is we can understand of it easily. Clear, sir?
Sir, this validation rule applicable for a specific company only. We can't assign another company.
If required, we can, sir.
Then we can change the rule in a header line level.
Yes, yes, that is what I will come up that one next.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah. This one clear, right? As of now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now the same way we have assigned our validation to RGO, one more company code. Okay. We have assigned this one for one more company code. So in this case, in your validation, you have maintained only TTML company code, not RGO. Okay. So now if I try here, then system will accept. It won't throw you any error. It won't give me any error. Because in your prerequisite, you don't have the RGO company code. If you want to apply for RGO, again, you need to change your prerequisite here. Okay, that is what. Let's see, observe it first, sir. F-0 to R0, Geo, it is accepting it, right? Go to prerequisite, let me add it. Here, we are not going to make it as and symbol, sir. And means both the company codes need to be available. So for single FI document, it is not possible to be company codes availability. So either you need to go with or you need to go with in symbol. I will explain in symbol later. Now you will go with or. Then again you need to select your condition. BKP of Bucharest equal to, where's that one? BKP of or BKP of Bucharest equal to RGO constant value. BKP of Bucharest equal to constant value RGO. While maintaining these values, we need to be careful, sir. Okay. Go back, save. I am not changing any checks, sir. Checks are messages. Prerequisite I am adding up. Now it will work for both the company codes. Go back, save. Go back, save. Yeah. Now you try for RGO also, it will work. /n f-02. Yeah. You can see, sir. Clear, sir? Who has doubt?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Clear?
Excuse me.
Clear, sir.
Others?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
హలో సార్ చెక్లో కండిషన్ పెట్టాం కదా మనం డాక్యుమెంటెడ్ పోస్టింగ్ డేట్ సేమ్ అనేసి
అవును.
మెసేజెస్లో మళ్ళీ నాట్ ఐడెంటికల్ పెట్టాము, దానికి రిలేట్ అవ్వదా?
ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి నువ్వు వచ్చేసి చెక్ వచ్చేసి డాక్యుమెంట్ డేట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు పోస్టింగ్ డేట్ అది ఉండాలి అని చెప్తున్నావు సిస్టానికి. ఓకే, అది ఉంటే సిస్టంలో వచ్చేసి నీకు పాస్ అవుతుంది, ఎంట్రీ పాస్ అవుతుంది. అది లేదు అనుకో, రీజన్ ఎందుకు అనేది మెసేజ్ లో నువ్వు పెట్టున్నావు. ఇక్కడ నీకు అర్థమయ్యే లాంగ్వేజ్ లో నువ్వు పెట్టావు. ఈ మెసేజ్ ఇక్కడ నువ్వు నీకు అర్థమయ్యే లాంగ్వేజ్ లో నువ్వు పెట్టుకుంటున్నావు. నువ్వేమని చెప్తున్నావు? పోస్టింగ్ డేట్ అండ్ డాక్యుమెంట్ డేట్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ అని చెప్తున్నావు. సో ఇప్పుడు నువ్వేం చేయాలి? దాన్ని కరెక్షన్ చేయాలి.
ఓకే,
క్లియరా? ఎస్ సార్, క్లియరా? Yeah. Now here I am going to change the date to 5, sir. Both are equal. If both are equal, then system won't give any error. See, it will go to the next screen. If both are equal, it will go to the next screen. Clear, sir, this one? Yeah, okay. Now, what I am going to do here, see, in our example, we have taken up 2 company codes. Let's assume if I want to have the same funda for 100 company codes, if I want to apply the same check for 100 company codes, then what you are going to do? Are we going to do same way like, and then again R, again BKPF, again your book RS, and then again equal to whatever your company codes? This is the way you need to do 100 times. This is the way you need to do 100 times. Instead of that, we can use IN functionality. We can use IN functionality. Okay, this IN functionality we will use for sets only. We will use for sets. Okay, so by using sets also you can define it. Okay, clear, sir? Yeah, write down next one. In functionality, next point, note, in functionality, IN in functionality, in functionality, we will use for set values. We will use for set values, SET, set. We will use for set, SET, set. We will use for set values. Okay, now you write it down, sir. Define set. Sir, creation of sets is, this is the word, sir. Even not only this purpose, any purpose we will use for sets. Okay, for validation I am expecting. Validation I am explaining the creation of sets. Validation point of view. Yeah, create sets GS01. Create sets T code GS01. GS01. Enter. Give set name. You can create Z R2R underscore BUKRS BUKRS Bucharest. Testing, sir. Underscore VAL validation underscore Bucharest. Give table name. You can give BKPF table or T001. Any table is fine, sir. Both are controlling your company codes only. T001. T001. Enter. 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 Yeah. Give field name Bucharest BUKRS. You need to provide your field name. Continue. Continue. Yeah, you need to provide your values. If it is sequence, you can give from and to. If it is a values like 1000 to 1999, you can give from and to values also. Or if you are having values TTML, then RGO, then 2B07. Like that, you can give your company code values also. Okay? Yeah, write down, sir. So now all these company codes, it will work. It has to work. So how it is, we will see it, sir. Save. Save. Okay, Raskunar, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Now, go to your validation, sir. Validation prerequisite. I'm going to delete entire thing, sir. Whatever is there, let me delete. Okay, I have deleted all. Now you select. You write down next example, sir. Write down next example with in condition, sir. Select company code in your prerequisite. Bucharest, and then select IN. Select IN. Once you select IN, then you will get here set directory active. Select IN. Select IN. Click on set directory. Click on set directory. Click on set directory. So what is your set, sir? ZR2R underscore validation underscore BUKRS. Correct, sir? Okay. Same set only, right, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. ZRTR underscore val underscore BUKRS. Yeah. Continue. 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 Go back and save, sir. Go back. Save. So you can maintain single values or you can take multiple values through a set. Okay. Now we have done through set. Now we will try for 2B07 also. It won't work. If it is not equal to, it will go for error. We will see that one. Okay. Yeah. Go to F-02. Go to F-02. First we will try for PTML or RG also fine.
We didn't activate, right? OB28.
OB28 we have not changed anything, right? We have given this one only. TTML underscore VA. We have not changed this one. This is at your OB28 level. We have done changes in your steps level only. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
By default, it is in active mode. Instead of TTML underscore VA, if you have done for any other thing, then such cases you need to do activate. And for one company code, we are able to give only one validation. It is not possible to give more than one validation in your OB28 here.
Okay.
It is not possible to give more than one validation for your company code versus call point. With these two combination, we can give only one. Okay, this is already there. This I have not changed anything.
Okay.
Within this one, we are
Understood.
defining our steps. Yeah. Now you can see error is coming. Clear, sir? Same way you can try for 2B07 also. Yeah. Now you will get error. Clear, sir? This one. Anybody having any issues on this one till now? Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, sir.
No,
That is what how we are going to control through sets, the validation with sets. Yeah. You just write down, sir. Go to OB28. I think I have not given notes from here. Okay. Save. Okay. Save. 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 Go to F-02. Go to F-02. Give the details and observe the error message. Go to F-02. Give the details and observe the error message. Next. So next in this case, if the same condition you want to follow for multiple company codes still further, what you need to do, sir? If you want to apply the same condition for in future also, if you want to apply the same condition for any other company codes, what you need to do?
We need to go to GS02 and include other company
Yes,
codes
yes.
as well.
So,
And
so
then
we
again
can
come
do
back to
only
OB.
change sets. It is not required to do any configuration changes. It is not required to do any configuration changes. You just go to your GS02. It is master data. Your set values is a master data, sir. Remember, it is a master data as like as your master data. Now you can go to your master data, change, set name change. If you want to include, you can include it. If you want to remove it, you can remove it. No need to change your configuration. But whatever the first example or second example I said, if you want to add or remove, you need to do configuration changes. But in this case, it is not required to do configuration change. You can do changes in your master data. That would be fine. Let us assume I am removing it. So whenever you remove it, don't keep the field as blank. If you keep field as blank, then it is applicable for all the objects. So whenever you are deleting it, select that row, click on this delete row. We need to delete entire row. We should not keep rows in blank in between. Okay, your sequence number controls the same. Okay, yeah, save. Now it is not applicable for RGO because I have removed RGO in it. If I try now RGO, it will work. There is no stoppage. Need to refresh the screen. Why? Let me remove all, then I will maintain it again. Normally, it is not going to be same in real time. Sir. Yeah, it is going, sir. Okay. That is issue in set, sir, not our validation. Issue in set. Okay. System issue, sir. Okay. If it is not available, then it should not work. Now, if it is available, then it will work, sir. Addition or removal is like this. If you do now, it will work. Okay. Clear, sir?
Clear,
Set
clear.
value, adding a value or removing a
Yes.
value in set. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is your validation functionality at header level. Let we have another 15-20 minutes. I will take one more condition at header level and I will explain that one. See, now here I am going to say that my company code is going to be TTML or RGO and my document type is SA. In such cases only header text need to be have some, I'm giving some constant value. Okay, let it be. Okay, it has to be header text. Else you can give anything for any other documents like AB or KR, DR, DZ, DA, anything. For other thing you can give any text. But if this is my document type, my header text should be constant. Okay, this normally we will use it for recurring document or accrual documents. We will use it, sir. Okay, clear, sir? They will say accrual document. They will go with accrual document 08. That is period. They will maintain like that. Or they will maintain 09, period 9. Like that they will maintain constant value. So if that is the case, how we want to do? So this is going to be and combination. Now we have seen or combination and also we have seen set combination in. Now we are going to see and combination. My company code RGO and my document type is equal to SA. Then my reference field should be ABCD, or my text should be recurring document or accrual. Like this, you can define your conditions. I'm giving some example simple text, but in real time, these text based on the business. Okay. Now for this and combination also, we'll create one more validation or one more set step, and then we will see it. Okay. Yeah, write down, sir. You are saying it. So your company code and document type SA, header text should be accrual. We will try it, sir. F-02 /n F-02. Yes, same document. But this is first step controlling. Your first step controlling your document date is equal to your posting date, and second step it is going to control your company code versus document type. Then here it has to be accrual. These two it is going to check now. Okay, yeah, just see it, sir. Accrual -01 I am giving, see error. Okay. So whatever the error message we are giving, same error message. Test description required for standardizing entries. Whatever the message we are giving here, same message we are getting. Okay, because your header text you maintain accrual -01. If you give only accrual, then it will allow. Clear, sir, concept? Yeah. Just write down, sir, F-02 entry. I think configuration you have completed. Shravan completed configuration.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Go to F-02. Yeah, write down, sir. To take the wrong information and we will see the error. Give the details, observe the error. Give the details and then save. Enter. Observe the error message. Okay, this one is different. Observe the error message. Okay. Yeah. Change message to accrual and then enter. It will pass. Change message to accrual and then pass. Okay. Enter. Save, sir. Enter. It will pass. Okay. Yeah. This is the way we can do our own validations at header level, sir. Okay. Line item validations, I will take in next class, sir. Line item validation as well as complete document level validations will take up in next classes, sir. So we will plan for next week Next Saturday or Sunday we will plan and we will try to complete one day, sir. Either Saturday or Sunday we will plan one off session and we will try to complete it. Okay, if okay, then we will wind up for session, sir.
And one request,
Okay.
sir, can you just let us know how to transport the TRs for the validation?
Yeah,
and
sure,
ex-
sure.
Yeah. Thank you, sir, for the wonderful session.
So here, see, TRs means for validations in real time also, each system we need to, it is not possible to you to transport. It is not possible to you to capture it immediately into transport request. So what we need to do it, we need to select the validations and we need to include in transport request. So that I will explain in here, validation and transport. So each stepwise it is not possible. In real time also same, demo system also same, no changes. So let us assume if you want to transport with respect to stepwise, it is not possible. Now assume if you are in real time now, the same setup is available in your production system. Now you are doing a new development for the validation. You are defining a step 3. Okay. Forget about prerequisite checks and messages. Assume you have defined it. Save. Once you saved it, this is step 3 won't move to anywhere. It will be available in your development system. And with respect to stepwise, it is not possible to you to transport. You can see. With respect to stepwise, it is not possible. So you need to move your entire validation. That means every time you do configuration in validation, you are going to transfer entire validation, not only single step. You are going to move all the steps within that validation. It is same for substitution also. You are going to move all the steps within the validation by using your transport. That is what the
If it is step level, we have to create in individual systems. We cannot transport steps to individual system, but we can only transport it via validation level. So validation
yes, you
level
need to do
TRs can be
at
transported to
validation level only,
systems.
and at the time of moving, all the steps will move
Mhm.
from development to quality or quality to production.
Okay,
Okay,
got it.
based on your landscape. Okay, so now at the time of moving also, you need to take care of it. Whatever the values you are having in your testing system, that means development system, and whatever the values you are going to have in your production system. Now I have maintained this set. Okay, this set values I may maintain in development system or not. But before moving this transport request, we need to maintain the values in set in respective target system. Now in our case, your source system is 800. That means this is your development system. This is your source. Your target is might be 810 or 1000 or 800. Sorry, 810 or 820 or 900. Your target systems. So before moving your transport request from 800 to 810 or 820 or 900, before that itself, you need to create your sets mandatorily. You need to create your sets and also you need to maintain your set values. Okay, this is one thing. So you always you need to move your entire sets. This is interview question also. Interview also they will ask this question. Okay, so is it possible to move your configuration with respect to stepwise? No, it is not possible. We need to move entire validation through transport request by including it. You need to manually include. Okay, here this is what you need to include your rules, sets, messages, message class, or whatever it is. Now you execute it. Now only it is creating your transport request. Give me a second. It is taking time.
Okay, sets and steps cannot be included, in short.
No, we can include or exclude. That is depend upon the situation. If you want, you can include it. If you want to exclude, you can exclude it. But before moving from here, now you have included in 800 system.
Yes.
Okay. Now you want to move it from 800 to 810. Okay. Now you want to move this one from 800 to 810. So before moving from 800 to 810, you need to create your sets in 810. Got it?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే, మనం 800 నుంచి 810కి మూవ్ చేసేటప్పుడు అది మూవ్ చేసేదానికంటే ముందుగానే ఈ సెట్స్ అన్ని క్రియేట్ చేయాలి.
అదే సార్, అంటే అదే అంటున్నాను నేను కూడా. స్టెప్స్ ఇంకా సెట్స్ మనము ఆల్రెడీ టీఆర్ మూవ్ చేయక ముందు ఆ రెస్పెక్టివ్ సిస్టమ్స్ లో క్రియేట్ చేసి ఉంచాలి.
స్టెప్స్ అవసరంలే. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ టు క్రియేట్ యువర్ స్టెప్స్. యూ నీడ్ టు క్రియేట్ ఓన్లీ యువర్ సెట్స్.
సెట్. ఓకే, అండర్స్టాండ్.
No need to create steps because your steps is already part of your validation.
Okay, got it.
No need to create these steps. You need to create only your set. Don't get confused between step and set. Okay, you need to create only these sets. Okay.
Yeah.
Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is what your transport request. So you will do transport request at validation level and then you will move it. After that, again, one more activity you need to perform. After moving your transport request, you need to perform one more thing. You need to execute a program. SC38 or SCA38 normally we do. As a functional, we will use SCA. ABAP, they will use SE, but both of it fine. Here you will have a program. I think RF, yeah, I think this one only. Hold documents, no, this is not one. Held. They are having a program. That program also you need to execute. RF SEPA 01, I think this one is related to some line item display, not this one. Give me a second, sir. If you want, you can write down. Post completion of your TR movement, again you need to execute this program. But in real time, what we will do it, for this program, we will keep one GT code and we will try to execute with respect to GT code. But in background, this is the program it is executing. Okay, for this program in real time, what we will do it, we will keep a GT code and we will execute it. If you want, you can write down this program, sir. Post TR movement, we need to execute this program. This is 100% real time of TR movements, sir, for validations. So this is purely interview question also. Please try to keep in your mind, sir. Okay, execute. Now you can see generate main program, generate table, rule, validation. If you are doing for substitution, you can do generate sets. Everything you can select. If you are doing for validation, you can select for validation related. If you are substituting for substitution, you can select for substitution rule and you can execute. Okay, your application area and call point that is available here. Your application area is FI, call point is 1. That is what here you need to give. Application area you need to give FI. Your call point 1 you need to generate. Clear, sir, this generation? For both validation and substitution, same program, sir. Okay, save this generated successfully. That's it. Just we need to execute real time. Normally, all these check boxes also we will hide it. Just we will keep application area and call point and we will execute, sir, real time. This is very rarely they will keep these icons also available. in real time, because we will do a GT code where we will do all these hidden by using ABAP code. It is up to client to client, it will differ again. Okay.
సార్ ఇది ఎక్కడ
You
సార్
remember
source
this
system?
this program, sir? This is same for both validation as well as substitution. The program is same. Okay, clear, sir? Some
Hello?
on this point of
Sir.
tier management, who has requested?
సార్
Yes, sir, Subhan.
Yes.
ఇది ఎక్కడ సార్ సోర్స్ సిస్టమ్ లో చేస్తా టార్గెట్ సిస్టమ్ లో చేస్తా సార్?
We will do this one in your target systems, not source system. That is what I am saying.
ఓకే
This program execution we do in target systems.
ఓకే.
Okay, others? Anybody having any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, right, sir? Sir, if no doubts, then we will wind up, sir. Yeah. Thanks, sir. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.